16 up. 8, 4, 3, 2. We're going to move the bicycle. Bicycle looks like this. If you want modified, just tap your feet or keep it down and just cross. You choose. 16. Go. Remember, guys, abs are made in the kitchen. You can do as many crunches, side bends, whatever you want. But until you get your meal in check, you'll never get those abs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to your right side. You're going to take your elbow right under your shoulder. You're going to take your legs out. Your hips, everything is one straight line from your toe to your elbow. Reach it up. You're going to dip it down. Down, up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Flip it over the other side. Line up your body. Elbow, shoulder. Take your knee back. You're going to go all the way down and back up for 8. 4, 3, 2. Last one, hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Back to the top. Crunches here. 16. 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bicycle. You do your level. 8 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up. Get in a straight line. If you want to go higher, stagger your feet. Make sure you're in a straight line. Go all the way down and up. Hold this one. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Flip it over other side. You can do your knee behind. Make sure you're in a straight line. Lift it up or go high. 4, 3, 2, hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bonus, hold a plank. Elbow plank. You can either go to your knees or go all the way up. We're going to hold this till the end of the song. You can do it. If you get tired, just go up in a bridge or go down to your knees. You choose, but hold it. You got this. You're almost done. Hold it. Don't give up now. You're so close. You can do it. You're almost done. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you enjoyed your 5-minute abs.